Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select a canvas for your picture on the Polish application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone and tap on the create button. Select a picture, then slide to the right side of the screen and then click on the fit button. Here you can choose from a bunch of canvas options. If you want to upload it as an Instagram story, you are going to select this IG story option, or you can choose from these other ones such as YouTube cover, post, Twitter header, and so on. As you tap on the BG button, you can select the background color, and you can add borders too, like this. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.